Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door with a Mullion heater in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door with a Mullion heater. The flapper door is mounted on the outer portion of the left side French door. It latches the door into the door holder, keeping it closed. It has a built-in Mullion heater and 3 hinges that allows the flapper door to turn 90 degrees when it gets in and out of the door holder. The main reason for the flapper door to be replaced is if the hinges breaks, causing the French doors not to close properly, or the heater burns out, causing condensation to build up on the flapper door. To get it apart, we need to open the left side French door. Next, I'm going to open the flapper door. And using this 1/4-inch nut driver, I'm going to take out the single screw that holds the central hinge and take it out. Now I'm going to push this flapper door up, disengage all 3 hinges, and now we're gonna turn it, and now I'm gonna hold this end of this plug and press the locking tab, and we're gonna pull it apart. This is the old flapper door with a Mullion heater next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So let's bring the new flapper door with the Mullion heater in, and we're gonna plug in this plug first. Alright, so I'm gonna hold on to that plug at the bottom and plug in the top portion. Now I need to make sure that all these hinges are facing properly the door. I'm gonna open this hinge. I'm gonna tack in this middle hinge into the cutout, and then we're going to make sure that the upper and the lower hinges are on these tabs and slide it down. Alright, now I'm going to secure it with this 1/4-inch screw. Okay, so using a 1/4-inch nut driver, I'm going to put the screw in. Now I'm going to close the flapper door, and after that we can close the left side door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.